Good morning students, myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Okay, today's date is 20 of July 2020 and we already started chapter 2 Roman numerals and we are doing all work in classwork, activity 2. Now come on question number 1. Write the following in Roman numerals. We have Hindu-Arabic numbers and we have to write Hindu-Arabic numbers. So let's see question D. We have 212. Now we have to write in Hindu-Arabic number. First of all we will write 200. How we write 200 in Roman numeral? We don't have any symbol of directly 200. So we will write first of all 100. Again we will 100. This become 200. So we can write 100 C. Capital C. Both are 200. Okay. Now we have to write 12. We have to write 12. Now we can write 12 like this. Okay. Now this number is 212. Now come on E. We have 289. Again we will write 200. How we will write 200? 100 plus 100. Okay students. Now we can write 100 in capital C. Now again we have 100. We write in capital C. Now we will write 80. We don't have directly Roman numbers. So we will write first of all 50 and we can write 50 like this, capital L. Next we have to write 60, 70, 80. That means we have to write 30. We can write 10 plus 10 plus 10. These are 30 and we write 10 as X. Capital X, 10, 10, 10. Now we have to write 9. This one 9. So we can write in Roman number 9. 1 or X. Now come on question I. 1038. So first of all we will write 1000 and in Roman numeral we can write M1000 as a 1000. Next we will write 30. Now we don't have any Roman numeral directly. So we will write 10 plus 10 plus 10. It will become 30. We can write in Roman numerals 10, 10 and 10. Okay. Now we will write 8. So 8. So we can write V and 2. Okay students. Now come on J. Question J. We have 1256. So first of all we will write only 1000. So 1000. And we write as a 1000 as Roman numeral capital M. Next we have to write 200. So what we will do? We will write 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 and we write capital C as a 100. So we will write 2 times 100. 100, 200. Now we have to write 50. And we know very well that we write 50 as capital letter of L. Okay. Now we have 6. We will write V and 1. This is our question number 1. Okay. Now we have question 2. Question 2 is write the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. We have already in Roman numerals and we have to write in Hindu-Arabic numbers. So students, let's start. We have capital C. We know that what we write in Hindu-Arabic number. Yes, right. We write 100. Okay. Now next L. L means yes 50. Next we have X. X means 10. and we have two more. We have two more. That means 2. Okay students. So this will become 100 and we will add both. It will become 60 because both are tens value. Tens. Okay. This one is 60 plus 2. That means our Hindu Arabic number is 162. Next E. We have capital C, X and C. C, X and C. What we write C? Yes, we write 100. Okay students. And in Hindu Arabic numbers, I told you before also, we have some rules. If we have a small symbol before the large symbol, if we have small symbol before large symbol, that means this is subtraction. This is subtraction. Okay. Now what we write what we write X, we will write X 10 and we have C 100. That means 100. Now we will subtract 100 से 10 को हम less करेंगे. This is X, that means 10. We have C, that means 100. Now we have to subtract because we have small symbol before a greater symbol. So we will subtract. It will become 90. It will become 90. Okay students. So it will become, if we will add 100 and 90, it will become 190. Okay students. Now come on I. M D X X V. M D X X V. Okay. Now M means 1000. M means 1000. D means 500. Okay. Now we have double X. Now we have double X means 20. Okay. And we have 5. Okay students. Now we can write in short form 1525. Now come on J. We have D, C, C, L, X or 2. Okay. D means 500 plus C means 100. Again we have C, that means 100. Okay. We have L. L means 50. X 10 and we have 2. Okay, now we can write this number 500 plus 100 plus 100. It will become 700. Okay, 700 plus we have 50. Now what it will become? 50 plus 10. What will become? 60. What will become? 60 because both are tens place. And these are have hundreds place. So we add first of all. Now we have 2. Now the number will become 762. Now come on question number 3. Okay students. Circle the incorrect Roman numerals. That means we have to find out incorrect Roman numerals. Okay. First we have VVV. We don't have any value of VVV. V means 5. If we will write 5 and 5, that means 15. How we write 15 in Roman numeral? Yes, we can write 10 and 5. Okay, this is our 15. Not this. We don't have any meaning of this. So this is incorrect. Now come on. Second, X. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is a meaningful. That means 30. So this is correct. Now come on. Next, C, V, 333. Okay. C means 100. Again C, 100. Again we have C, 100. Or 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 8, that means 308. This is also meaningful, so this is also right, that means correct. Next we have D, D, D. If we write means of D, we write always 500, again 500, again 500. So students, why we write 500, 500? We know that in Roman numeral we can write 1000. 1000 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? M. So why we will write again D, D, D. Okay. So this is incorrect. Next we have IL. IL. Students, we have also a rule that we can only subtract 1 from 10 or 5. Always we can subtract 1 from 5 or 10. 5 or 10. Not from 50. Okay. So this is also incorrect. Next we have VV1. If we will see, write the answer 5 plus 5 plus 1. Why we will write again 5? We can write easily 10 and 1. This will become 11. So this is also incorrect. Next we have D, DX. D means 500. Again we have 510. Why we write DD? We know that we can write 1000 in M. Roman numeral is M and 10. So we can write MX. So this is also incorrect. Next, CIX. C means 100 plus 1. 1 is smaller than X. This symbol is small and this symbol is larger. So if we have small symbol before the large symbol, what we will do? We will do always subtract. So we are doing 1 subtract from 10. It will become 9. So the number is 109. So this Roman numeral also right. So we have this one, this and this one is are incorrect. Okay students, this was the our class of activity 2. Okay students, do your work at home in homework notebook as mentioned in your book.